behind this particular attack. Let's go across to my colleague Rajesh joining us live right now for more on this. Rajesh, tell us what exactly has happened.
See, at this moment we are present just in front of the house of Bengal Minister Shashi Paja, and it is being alleged that some of the BJP supporters pelted stones targeting the main door of Shashi Paja. This is the main entrance of Dr. Shashi Paja, who is a Bengal minister, and you can see a lot of stones can be spotted in front of her house, and it's being alleged that BJP supporters created a ruckus and pelted stones targeting her main entrance. You can see this door. This is the main door of Dr. Shashi Paja, which has been badly damaged due to the stone pelting incident, and it is also being alleged on behalf of Trinamool Congress that BJP supporters tried to vandalize her house, and right now a lot of BJP supporters have gathered in front of the house of Bengal Minister Shashi Paja. You can see BJP supporters are holding lathis, they are holding sticks, and police forces have been deployed over here to disperse the force. भैया क्या हुआ था?
हाँ, इधर से रैली में हम माननीय प्रधानमंत्री आ रहा है।
पीयूष जी क्या हुआ?
जो होता है वो हुआ।
क्या हुआ?
नहीं पाएगा। यहाँ पे ईट चटा के हम लोग को मारने का चेष्टा किया, कभी नहीं हुआ।
किसने मारा आपको?
हम लोग का कर्मी लोग का बस अटकाया था। हम लोग छोड़ के बात नहीं करेंगे, चिंता मत।
ये जी हम लोग का दोनों का जगतों को लेके गया, मेडिकल में लेके गया, एक का छुआ टूट गया।
भैया आपका हाथ में लाठी क्यों है भैया?
আমাদের মারছে, আমাদের মেরেছে।
किसने मारा आपको?
टीएमसी लोग, शशि पाजा लोगेरा। शशि पाजा लोगेरा।
आपका हाथ में लाठी क्यों है?
हम तो सुरक्षा लाठी नहीं होगा।
सुरक्षा हाथ में नहीं लेगा, वो लोग मारेगा, सुरक्षा नहीं लेगा, ऐसे आज जाए करेगा। वो लोग रैली क्यों रोक रहे हैं?
ये कहा जा रहा है कि आप लोगों ने स्टोन पेल्टिंग किया, आप लोगों ने तोड़फोड़ की है।
हम लोग कुछ नहीं किया।
বিসর্জন 26-এ সেই ভয়ে মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়ের বুক কাটছে, তারপরে মন্ত্রী শশী পাজার বাড়ি থেকে অভিনন্দন বৃষ্টি হচ্ছে। আমাদের একটা ছেলের পা ফেটে গেছে, একজনের মাথা বুক ফেটে গেছে। তাদেরকে
You can see BJP supporters are agitating over here just in front of the house of Shashi Paja. You can see BJP supporters are holding stones and lathis there, and it was being alleged on behalf of Trinamool Congress that the house of Shashi Paja was vandalized by the BJP supporters. Or we can still can find the local DCP has arrived over here, and a huge police force is being deployed, led by the DCP, and the police is trying to disperse the crowd. You can see more women police force coming or arriving over here to take the situation under control. A lot of stones, a lot of bricks can be spotted over here. You can see a lot of bricks. Would like to request our video journalist Arnab to show the visuals on the street. You can see a lot of stones can be spotted over here in front of house of Dr. Shashi Paja, and here one bike is also over here in the middle of road, which is probably भैया एक बार बाइक किसका है? देखते चलो. Additional police force is arriving in front of the house of Shashi Paja, and they are taking control of the situation. And right now we are seeing senior officers are entering inside the house of Shashi Paja at this moment, and they have dispersed the crowd. Yes, they have dispersed the crowd of BJP supporters in front of the house of Bengal Minister.
Right.
At this moment, senior officers are entering inside the house of Bengal Minister. Sir, কিভাবে injury হলো?
Who is this person, Rajesh, who has also reportedly got injured?
Yes, he is a local inspector of Kolkata police. He is also injured. You can see the visual, which is which clearly shows the inspector of local police station, which is Girish Park police station. Yeah, he is badly injured. He was in the middle of clash, and the clash took place between the supporters of Trinamool Congress and BJP. And when the police forces reached over here to take the situation under control, that time the inspector was injured.
Right.
Now he's being taken to hospital by the other cops from the spot. He was rescued.
Right. Rajesh,
কোথায়
কলার পিনে ইট ছুঁড়ে মেরেছে।
ইট ছুঁড়ে মেরেছে কারা কারা?
কারা আমি ওইভাবে নাম তো চিনি না। বিবেকানন্দ রোডের ওদিক দিয়ে ছুঁড়ে মেরেছে।
কিন্তু কলার বোনে ইনজুরি হয়েছে।
হ্যাঁ।
আপনি কি হসপিটাল যাচ্ছেন না?
যারা ব্রিগেডে আসছে
Right. Rajesh, request you to please stay on with us. Let me also go across to my colleague Pooja, who's also joining us live right now at this point in time. Pooja, firstly, can you explain to us which area is this? Have we heard anything from Ms. Shashi Panja yet on this entire incident? And why were there clashes really between TMC and BJP supporters? What was happening in this area?
Well, first I'll take you through the visuals inside of the Shashi Panja, West Bengal Minister TMC leader's house. You can see when the attack was carried out, house of Trinamool Congress leader and State Minister Shashi Panja was attacked. We are currently inside her residence. You can see the broken window panes, and we're seeing how stones have in fact now entered through the windows, because these windows were open at the time of the attack. There was massive ransacking and vandalism by the people who had attacked. However, it is yet to be ascertained by the police who really attacked. But the Trinamool Congress says that those BJP workers who were on their way to the Brigade Parade grounds to attend Prime Minister's rally, they claim that they had led this attack. You can see there are glass panes, there are pieces of glass shards completely here, and we're currently inside Minister Shashi Panja's residence. Senior officials and Deputy Commissioner rank officers have now reached here to speak to the minister and see what really has happened and the kind of extent of damage that this attack has left behind. You know that the BJP workers have been claiming that while they were on their way to Prime Minister Narendra Modi's rally at Brigade Parade grounds today, and that is when their buses came under attack, and those who attacked were from Congress workers, and both of the camps came face to face and clashes erupted between the Trinamool Congress and BJP workers. You can see there are these glass shards, the standee which has been tried to be damaged. We're currently inside Shashi Panja's residence, and there are senior officials here who are continuously trying to speak to the police officials and are taking stock of the situation. But currently there is a lot of tension that prevails inside the house and also outside the central Kolkata's Girish Park area, when tension broke out between Trinamool Congress and BJP workers. Both camps erupted in violence. There was stone pelting that ensued for several minutes, and only then police arrived at the spot, while the senior police officials have now in fact arrived at the spot. But you can see that officials are now in fact guarding the minister's residence, but on the other hand the BJP workers have still not left the area and they are raising slogans. You can see there are Trinamool Congress workers here who are raising slogans. On the other hand, BJP workers continue to remain on the ground because they have been protesting and claiming that their bus came under attack while they were on their way to Prime Minister's Brigade rally, and police did not step forward to protect them or stop the stone pelting. But you can see absolute pandemonium situation that prevails here at the Girish Park area in front of the minister's house, and also a major thoroughway currently blocked because there are Trinamool Congress workers and BJP workers face to face, and in between there is police and huge police force currently pressed into service to bring the situation under control. Telling us that Trinamool Congress
netas are saying that it was the BJP supporters who targeted Dr. Shashi Panja's residence while they were on their way to attend the Prime Minister's rally, which is going to take place at the Brigade Parade Ground. And you're also telling us that BJP supporters are alleging that their bus came under attack when they were on the way to the Prime Minister's rally's venue, and the cops did not really do anything. But Pooja, I also want to understand from you, what we can see from the visuals that you just now brought for our viewers, a lot of stone pelting has taken place. It means it was perhaps pre-planned. I mean, because on the road, so many stones, so many bricks can't just be available, right? Or are they?
Well, absolutely. I'm showing you the visuals and the kind of extent of damage that is left behind after the stone pelting. You can see on this major thoroughway, there has been completely pelted with stones. And remember, this is the very place where the buses were supposed to pass and was supposed to proceed towards the brigade rally of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. What you see in front of me are the BJP workers still protesting and agitating against the attack. And you can see there is still tension that is prevailing, and you can see in front of us, right in the middle of the road, remember this is a very major and important thoroughway where all of the buses were supposed to pass, and BJP claims apparently it was a pre-planned attack and they were supposed to pass this major thoroughfare when their buses came under attack. But currently you can see huge police force deployed here now to bring the situation under control, but you can see that there is still a lot of tension.
I'm just interrupting you there, even as we will continue to show to our viewers the visuals you are bringing to us from the spot here. We have an exclusive conversation lined up for our viewers. Here's what Dr. Shashi Panja told us.
বিজেপি গুন্ডারা আজকে যাদের বাস যেগুলো ব্রিগেডের দিকে যাচ্ছে সেই বাসগুলোতে আছে ইট, কাঁচের বোতল আর বোম। এই নিয়ে বহিরাগত গুন্ডাদের নিয়ে তারা ব্রিগেড র্যালিতে যাচ্ছে। আর আমার বাড়ি যেটা গিরিশ পার্ক মেন রোডে আছে সেটা অ্যাটাক করেছে বিজেপি গুন্ডারা। আজকে যাদের বাস যেগুলো ব্রিগেডের দিকে যাচ্ছে সেই বাসগুলোতে আছে ইট, কাঁচের বোতল আর বোম। এই নিয়ে বহিরাগত গুন্ডাদের নিয়ে তারা ব্রিগেড র্যালিতে যাচ্ছে। আর আমার বাড়ি যেটা গিরিশ পার্ক মেন রোডে আছে সেটা অ্যাটাক করেছে বিজেপি গুন্ডারা। আজকে যাদের বাস যেগুলো ব্রিগেডের দিকে যাচ্ছে সেই
All right, so State Minister and Trinamool Congress leader Shashi Panja saying that it was BJP goons, according to her, who attacked her house in Girish Park. We will slip into a very, very short break right now. Coming back with lots more. Don't go anywhere.